so we are entering, I believe this is going to be Lamberton, Minnesota on October 22nd, 2025. As of 2024, the population is 781. Oh, there it is. We haven't seen one in a while. You know what it is, right? The Dollar General. Small town America. One of 20,700 and something. And counting. Right there. That looks like a new one. Looks like it looks pretty new. What do you think, brother?
Yeah, it's a new one.
It looks new. I don't know how to tell when they put in a business. Okay, so to the right is the business district. There's two gas stations, two independently owned gas stations. Well, I think they're independently owned. They've got really old pumps. Oh, wow. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Definitely bigger than Revere. There's the Lamberton Bar and Grill. Oh, what a cute town. Oh, that's a bowling alley. Lamberton Lanes. See there? Bowling alley sign. Oh, look at that old building there. That's an old bank. Yep, sure is. Right there. Bakery, candy. That's nice. Oh, there's another Maynard's. The post office there on the left. Lamberton, Minnesota, 56152. The Music Mart. Oh, it's an antique store. We should go there. That's after we're out of here. News. What's that old? Look at old newspaper. This building. What is that? There on the left. There's finials at the top. There's another one of those Creamery buildings. 1929. Oh, look at this. This is an old hardware store. 1898. Look at this little town. Lamberton, Minnesota. Redwood County. This is the Lamberton Clinic. Yeah. Neat old finials. Okay, so there's the old gas station right there. And drive up the old buildings. Yeah. All right. Oh, what a neat old town. Heartland office. Oh, the water tower's around the corner. One of those weird water towers. I love it. Lamberton. Water tower. I'm going to say that's the school. This was Main Street we were just on.
Yeah, it's a school.
That's high school. Or... They even open? Does it look like they're open?
Yeah.
I don't know. Look, it's overgrown, brother. I think that school is closed. Is this a Victorian? Yeah, I think so. nice. That school back there is closed. I think that was the old school. Because, see the front, can you get the front a little bit? It has like a cupola. Yeah, so I think that's an old school building back there because this is a school there. And there's the water tower. That's freaky, scary stuff. Okay, so this is the Our Savior's Lutheran Church. 2 bells, a big one and a little one, very nice. View Manor. I'm assuming that's an adult nursing home or nursing center. Let's see here. There's an airstream. Some beautiful homes here. Okay, maybe they are open. Maybe that's the elementary school, but it's like overgrown. Either that or they're just not taking care of it or something. You see the grass and everything? Well, maybe they're taking care of it and the grass just got, oh, that grassy. There's some weeds. I don't know. It's a little empty to me.
School bus is there.
Yeah, okay. Well, I was wrong. It's the first time I've ever been wrong. But we don't know for a fact. I mean, we're just guessing on a lot of this stuff. This is what they do with most of our history. Well, we think. Present it as fact. It's like he's old. See, like there's that old house over there that looks like like this one up here. That house back there looked like a church. See, look at that gambrel roof. And then that is a church in front of us. I see the sign. What kind of church is that? It's a Methodist. Sister was right about that one, brother.
For the first time.
For the 50th time. 575. Look at this one. Oh, there's a Victorian. Woohoo! Oh yeah, that's a nice one too. There we are. Lamberton, Minnesota. A beautiful Victorian, and that is a turret. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, look at the little Italianate across the street from the Victorian. That is gorgeous. It looks a little empty. Look at that little window. I wanted to get a little closer. Beautiful. Fish scale siding. I'm trying to, it's hard to see that window, but it's lead glass. Very nice. Little gazebo with a lightning rod, it looks like. Oh yeah. There's got to be another one somewhere. Well, these are all old. Alright, well, we better head out. We got a lot of... See, that's one. Yeah, that's an old one. See the fish scale on the top there? See that house there, how it is, the front? I was thinking that those were old churches, but maybe not. Maybe it's just the style that they had in this area. Go down Main Street again. There's an old building over here. Is that an old schoolhouse?
It's a nice house.
That is a nice. Was that a Victorian? That sure was. Not like that other one, but that's an old church. See how the front is? It's a little bit larger than the others, but Church of Christ, Lamberton, Minnesota. Yeah, still open. That's good. Okay, so this is the building I saw. I think that's a school or something. Doesn't say, but maybe not a school. 1922, it says on the corner, the cornerstone. Maybe it's part of an old church. I don't know, everything is an old church anymore. Cool building. Church of St. Joseph Catholic Church, Lamberton, Minnesota. Beautiful. And then a nice house next to it. Look at that one. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, did we hit a dead end? No? There's the Lamberton Motel. Very nice. That's cute. A lot going on here in town. Historic. Is that another? That's the back of that one church. The old building. Okay. What is this? Another Victorian. Look at that. That's an onion dome. And a neat old fence too. Very nice. Very nice. There's the church again. All right, we're gonna go. Turn right up here. There's a one-way building. Really neat old downtown, and it's full. It's just full. This is a grocery store. This Maynard's. A little grocery store. We saw the post office. So Redwood County, the ice cream candy. I love this old glamour building. I'm going to get a picture of it. Can I turn here? Okay, so here's that old bank. With the lightning rod, I think that is. They're old lights. Second and Avenue. Oh, it's beautiful. Firehouse. Neat old building. Look what these were for, these pipe things. Very nice. Ghost mural. Can't really read it though. Very nice. Very nice. The post office and the grocery store. The music mart. Look at the front of that. Isn't that interesting? The Knitted Swan, and there's the antique store. Let's see. Go around the block, go to that. Alright. That's Lamberton. A little bit more to see. Oh, was that a Victorian down there? Just an old blue house. Beautiful house. That white one was the winner. The big turret. All right, well, that is Lamberton, Minnesota and Redwood County on October 22nd, 2025. And that is a grain elevator. Very big. And right at, like, the town is like centered around it. Really cool. Not the neat old truck. Alright, well, here we are. See you in the next town. We did see the Dollar General, right? Yeah. Right around the corner. Alright.